Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make for you some cod. This is my fish and I'm gonna curry cod. This is my curry. I'm gonna add a little turmeric in it. And I have here fish sauce. I have some white wine. I have some olive. And I have some pimento seed, which is allspice. Onion, garlic, thyme, and a carrot. So let's get started. I'm gonna pour my oil. This is canola oil. That's a lot. On me, giving your love so freely, but there's one thing I'm still longing for. Hear my heart's cry and a prayer for my life. Okay, I'm gonna add my cod. Oh, hear that sugar? Woo! Oh, 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 okay, I will be right back. Okay, my fish is brown. I'm gonna add a little butter. And I'm gonna add my curry. Curry and pimento. Just let it burn a little. Kind of cook my curry in the butter. I'm gonna add my onion, thyme and carrots. Gonna add a little water to that. Adding some white wine vinegar. little salt on my carrots. Adding a little fish oil. I'm gonna add my garlic now. Add my garlic. So I'm gonna add my olive next. I'll be right back. Here we go. That is our curry cod. Look at it. Oh my God. It's delicious. It's beautiful. Okay guys, thanks for coming into my home. Please subscribe to my channel and I thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.